Hi friends, this is Kshitij here, memory trainer and NLP trainer and life coach. Yes friends, myself Kshitij, and as of now I have conducted a lot of seminar on memory mastery and NLP. So I thought let's explore this with most of the people. So I thought let's come with WhatsApp based student memory mastery program. By the way, this is not only for student, this is for parent also. Because in this technique, there are 50% techniques that can be used by parents also. Yes, friends. There are three intentions behind this program. First is to take memory level at one more level, which is next level. That's first intention, either for parent or their child. Second, when on daily basis, parent and child watch this video jointly for 10 to 20 minutes, not more than that. So when you watch this video jointly with fun, make sure this is fun. Watch this video jointly and implement on daily basis. And whatever queries you have, you post on WhatsApp group. I will answer on same day or max to max next day. And third intention, this is fun workshop and not any activity or study workshop. Okay, and this is workshop. So whatever exercise I'll give, do practically implement with the fun. And if you implement with your child, they will be more bonding. So I want to create the bonding. I want to create bonding in you and your child. Right? So these are totally my three intention with this my memory mastery workshop. Now how it will be. On daily basis, I will share 10 to 20 minutes video link on WhatsApp group and to watch this video on daily basis and implement this entire video technique on daily basis with fun. Normally what as a parent what we do, we focus on activity basis. Complete the activity tick. Don't do that. Enjoy this workshop. Enjoy each session as a fun. Do with fun and not as an activity. Okay? Do with fun. Fun with your child. That is my motto or goal. Okay? Create bonding. Enjoy. Enjoy. Daily learn something new with fun. Yes, and I will answer you. I'm a mentor for you in the journey. On daily basis, you will get videos for 15 days and keep watching with fun, implement with fun issues. I will help you in any issues. At the end of 15 days, there will be definitely your memory level or your child memory level at next level. Because these techniques no one teach in school or colleges. Yes, friends, it's a totally different techniques and you will definitely enjoy. And I'll give you some basic why, how these techniques are different. So give you fundamentals, the basic fundamentals of these techniques. Okay, and these techniques I may use some Hindi words. Okay, because in some techniques I use base concept of Hindi. So I hope you know the Hindi, that will be better. Okay, if it is not, but you can, if you not more comfortable with Hindi, you can just analyze that one. You can use your language also in that technique. Okay, and make that technique more powerful. Yes. So friends, let's start with this journey for next 15 days and enjoy with fun. Okay. Thank you as of now, and we'll start our next session soon. Thank you, Kshitij.